Hello everybody, let's learn TypeScript Decorators. Decorators in TypeScript are a special type of declaration attached to a class, method, accessor, property or parameter. They provide a way to add annotations and meta-programming syntax to your code. Number 1. What are decorators? Decorators are functions that modify the behavior of classes or member of class, methods, properties or parameters. They are a part of ES7 proposal and are available in TypeScript as an experimental feature. 2. Enabling decorators in TypeScript. To use decorators, enable them in your tsconfig.json file, that is within curly braces, within quotes, compiler options, colon, within curly braces again, within quotes target, colon, ES6, comma, then within quotes experimental decorators, colon, true. All the second brackets are closed. So this is important. Experimental decorators true. 3. Types of decorators. TypeScript supports the following types of decorators. Decorator type target, class applied to a class, method applied to a method, accessor applied to getters or setters, property applied to properties, parameter applied to constructor params. 4. Creating and using decorators. Class decorators used to modify or annotate the behavior of a class. Function, log class, constructor of type function. Console.log within backticks class dollar within curly braces constructor.name was created. At log class, here log class, at log class person constructor public name of string of type string. Const person1 new person Shudip. Output the class person was created. Okay, due to this constructor.name, the class person was created. Method decorators used to modify or extend the behavior of a method. Function, log method, target, any, property key, string, descriptor of type, property descriptor. Then const original method is equal to descriptor dot value. Descriptor dot value is equal to function within bracket triple dot args of type array any array. Console.log within backticks method dollar property key was called with args colon dollar within curly braces args. Backtick is closed. Return original method dot apply within bracket this comma args. Class calculator at log method here. Add at add a of type number, b of type number, returns also number. Then return a plus b. Const calc new calculator, console.log calc dot add 2, 3. Output will be as follows. Method add, here add method was called this property key. This method was called with args 2 and 3. It is called 2 and 3 with args 2 and 3. Here it is the args, and then the result will be returned, that is 5. Accessor decorators used on getters or setters. Function log accessor, target of type any, property key of type string, descriptor of type property descriptor. Then const original getter is equal to descriptor.get. Descriptor.get is equal to function, unnamed function, then console.log within backticks getting property dollar within curly braces property key. This is the property key. Then backtick is closed. Return original getter, then question mark dot call this. Original getter, it is nullable. Call this. Class rectangle private underscore width of type number is equal to 0. Underscore means this is private. This is by conception. At log accessor get width, return this dot underscore width. Set width value of type number, this dot underscore width is equal to value. Then the second brackets are closed. Const rect new rectangle, rect.width is equal to 20, console.log rect.width, getting property width here, getting property decorator called for this property width. Property decorators used to modify properties of a class. Function log property, target of type any, property key of type string. Console.log within backticks property decorator called for for colon, then dollar within curly braces property key, backtick is closed. Class product at log property here, name of type string, constructor name of type string, this dot name is equal to name. Const product is equal to new product within bracket laptop, within quotes laptop. Property decorator called for name. This is the property key. Okay. Parameter decorators used to annotate constructor parameters. Function log parameter, target of type any, property key of type string, pipe symbol, comma, parameter index of type number. Console.log within backticks parameter decorator applied to parameter dollar within curly braces parameter index in method dollar within curly braces string property key, then backticks. Class order, place order at log parameter order id colon number of type number. Console.log order placed console.log within backticks order placed colon dollar within backticks order id backtick is closed. Const order new order placed 1 to 3. Output will be parameter this one parameter decorator applied to parameter 0, that is first parameter in method place order. In method place order. In method this order placed 1 to 3 here the order placed 1 to 3. Okay. 5. Practical example combine multiple decorators. Function component config colon within curly braces selector colon string return function constructor of type any constructor dot prototype dot selector is equal to config dot selector function log component constructor of type any console.log within backticks component created colon dollar within curly braces constructor dot name backtick is closed. At log component at component then within curly braces selector colon within quotes app hyphen root class app component selector of type string const app component new app component console.log within backtick selector is dollar within curly braces app component dot selector backtick is closed. Output component created app component. Here component created add this is app component and selector is app root. Okay, here is the selector is app root. Selector app root here selector is app root. Notes on decorators. Decorators can chain. They execute in reverse order from how they defined. Always use them sparingly for metadata management or cross-cutting concerns like logging or validation. Conclusion: decorators are a powerful feature for metaprogramming in TypeScript, offering a cleaner way to enhance and extend classes, methods, and properties. Experimenting with them will help you better understand how to build scalable and maintainable applications. That's all for now. Thank you.